What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update. July 30th, day before the big Fed day tomorrow. So, as I said yesterday, probably consolidation day. We pretty much got that. I would assume today would be as well, but it's making an interesting move now. Levels here 96 to 14, no man's land. So I want below 96 or above 14. In between that is just noise. That's a monster level. We've spent some time there, but I wouldn't initiate anything in there. We are 5507 is the 50 day, so I would watch that as well. Upside, possibly this 2022 level. I think that if we get back above into this area, we've tested this 28, 35 level 1, 2, 3 times. I would assume the third time will be the charm. So if we get up there, I'm looking at 43 to clean up these singles. Above that, I'm looking at the possibly this 50, 53 or 50, 54 level, but more probable 60, 64. You do have a 74 park here, and then 85, above 85, we off to the races. I don't see that happening today. I would assume they consolidate, but I would actually really like to see a pop up here to 44 and clean up those singles. That's kind of what I'm eyeing if we get above that. That would probably be enough to get everybody off sides as well for a reversal, but that's just my opinion. 82. 78, 82 has been a monster. It held last night, held yesterday. Yesterday it hit and we rallied 40 points straight up. So I'm assuming that this is a level that they are wishing to hold. Goes in line here. So I've been talking about that level yesterday. I didn't play that. I didn't think it would have that reaction, but it was quite the stall and then bounce. Below that, pretty much this 44 or 54, 45. We lose that level. You could say 38, 45, and then we retest lows. We'll come back. Here's that 38. That's kind of where I'm looking at it. 31. We had a lot of traffic in here. You could also stop at the 2220. So really between 39 and 21 is support. I hate to be so wide, but at the same point, all these open and closes here, this was just a consolidation before I move up. So that makes this more important. Losing that 97.03 level brings us back down, and then the next major level I have is 74, 53, 74, but probably 69 would be your real target. So we will see today. I think it's fairly, I think we'll bounce between ranges again, with the possibility of now is the upside. If we open above this 05 level, then I think that we're going to stand in bullish territory. 55.32 R1, I really like that. Again, we get above that and then it paves the way. 55.60, I like that. 85, look at that. R3 is your top, the prior candle high. 55.06 is your pivot. I really like that. These have been good today. 78 held last night. Look at that, almost to the tick. Boop. And then 54.53, I like that. And 54.2, I like all these today. These are good. My magic line's at 21, so that 2021 will be interesting as this is kind of held, right, for a while. So we will see if that continues. We do have a cash gap up to 56.02, something to keep in mind. Not that we're going to rally 100 points, but that's kind of where we're at. Here's your daily, kind of hugging that 50 day. We stayed above the 100. That's at 53.84, 10 above that monster 74 I'm watching. So we will see how all this goes. 54.32, 6, excuse me. Nope, 32, I was right. 36 is your July open. So keep in mind, they've got 2 days to get that back above that level. So I would look I'm looking for a close of July above that, but we will see. Basically, they have tomorrow. SPX, I forgot a cash gap yesterday from 54.30 to 99. I apologize about that. Your 50-day is at 39. You did close above that. And then you have your starting cash gap here at 55.08. And that's two of them. So that's a monster. You have another monster up here. I wouldn't worry about that monster up there. These two should be in. So I could see us bouncing in between these two as well. So I could see 55.08 as resistance and 54.30 is support. So I don't know. Euro parked, went below the 20, stick saved it and parked above it. So it's holding on right now. We'll see if they get a relief bounce or if that goes. If that goes, it might be interesting. NASDAQ up 63, ES up 12, Dow up only 5, and RTY up 7. So we will see. Relvo's only 66. Relvol, excuse me. So I will be in and out today, and then we'll all see the setup for tomorrow. I would expect a coil. Anyway, stay safe.